Welcome to the 2011 CHIO Dream Home. What room in the house is the most popular by way of people getting together for festive holiday, for occasions with friends and family? It's in the kitchen. Everybody comes to the kitchen together. And this kitchen in the Dream Home this year is by far one of the most stunning ones that we've had yet, with lots of great counter space, bright, beautiful cabinets, appliances, and some fantastic definition up on the ceiling that I'd like you to make note of. The dining room in the Dream Home this year is very unique. By that I mean you have a little bit of country by the furniture and beautiful lighting, which gives us the elegant, and we also have a lovely wine cooler that comes complete with the cooling system and lighting. The family room in the Dream Home is one that people will talk about. It's very spacious, it's comforting, you have a beautiful gas fireplace, you have a fantastic flat screen TV, and you also have warm colors and great definition. It's just a nice place to sit and get cozy. As you enter the Dream Home, on to your right you have a beautiful living room, cozy, great lighting, gas fireplace, hardwood floors. This is a new spectacular room in the Dream Home this year. It's our electronics room, and it's one that I know people are going to just go crazy over. Why? Because you have a 60-inch TV in the middle of this wall that you can watch movies. You have a 40-inch on the other side that is for games, and you have another 40-inch on the other side that's for the internet. I mean, it's leading edge. It's fantastic. It's a great room. Great acoustics, leather flooring. You can't ask for anything better. This house is spectacular, and one of the rooms I can't wait for you to see is the master bedroom. The master bedroom in this year's home is very spacious, and the color in the room is also very inviting and very warm and soft. You'll note here on some of the windows that we have facing the backyard, it is clearly a room with a view. The washroom off the master bedroom is one that people are going to talk about, with heated floors, ceramic tile, a walk-in shower, beautiful bathtub, and gorgeous, gorgeous large windows facing the front and side yards of the home. Something that's really neat in the Dream Home this year is, and it's new, is a loft in the house, and it's quite spacious. You have ample room for sitting, ample room for workspace, and a very nice cathedral ceiling. The CHIO Dream Home this year has 4 bedrooms on the upper level. The girls' room with a Jack and Jill coming off that specific room, as well as a guest room with a Jack and Jill coming off that room, leading into the boys' room, which is themed the Harry Potter room. Can't wait to show you the lower level of the Dream Home. Spectacular. Here we have a games room, beautiful pool table, kitchen, fully equipped with a cooler, fridge, as well, a playroom. Fitness continues to be so ever important to us in our daily lives, and what best way to do that than in our own Dream Home. In here we have 3 pieces of fitness equipment, spacious. Over to your right we have a sauna and a washroom. Well, I hope you have all enjoyed the tour. Please come by and see us. You won't be disappointed.